Good morning. Can you tell me a little about yourself?
Morning. I'm Sarah, a nurse for 3 years, mainly in ER and pediatrics.
Why nursing?
I love helping people. I volunteered at a clinic when I was younger, and nursing felt like the right path.
What's one challenging day you've had?
Flu season was crazy, there was packed, but we prioritized patients and kept things under control.
How do you handle stress?
Stay organized, stay calm, and work with my team.
What key skills does a nurse need?
Empathy, communication, and adaptability. Things change fast.
Great plans. Any questions for us?
What's the team like here?
We're close-knit and supportive. You fit in well.
That sounds perfect. Thanks for meeting with me.
Thank you, sir. We'll be in touch soon.
Welcome. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, it's under Lawrence.
Right this way. Here's your table by the window. As requested, I'll take your coats.
Thank you. Have a seat, honey. Let's check out the menu.
Good evening. Ready to order? Or need a few more minutes?
A few more minutes, please.
What do you feel like having?
So many options. How about you?
I'm torn to any suggestions.
I've heard the duck with cream sauce is great, and the seafood is supposed to be amazing.
The duck sounds good. I'll go with that and a seafood salad. And for dessert,
I'm eyeing the cheesecake. I make a pretty good one, but I'd love to try there.
Ready to order?
Yes, she'll have the seafood salad and that, and I'll take the mushroom julienne and rabbi. We'll share cheesecake and a banana cake.
Great. And drinks?
we're celebrating our anniversary, so champagne, please.
Congratulations. Dry, sweet, or semi-sweet?
Semi-sweet, please.
Excellent choice. Your food will be ready in about 5 minutes. Would you like the champagne now?
Yes, that'd be lovely.
Here's your champagne, and the chef has sent a little treat for your celebration.
That's so kind, thank you.
This place just keeps impressing us.
Here's your order. Anything else I can get you?
No, everything's perfect, thanks.
Good morning. Thanks for coming in today.
Good morning, thanks for having me.
Can you introduce yourself?
I'm Alex, with a computer science degree from the University of Innovation Technology. I have 4 years of software development experience.
Nice to meet you, Alex. Can you share a project you're proud of?
Sure, at my last job, I led a mobile app project that boosted users by 50% in 6 months. I wrote code, improved the user experience, and worked closely with the product manager.
Impressive. How do you handle multiple tasks?
I prioritize tasks based on urgency and deadlines. I use agile tools to track progress and keep the team aligned. I adjust plans and communicate when needed to stay on track.
Good approach. Why do you want to join us?
I admire your tech vision and focus on user experience. I believe my skills can add value, and I am eager to innovate here.
Glad to hear that. Any questions for me?
Yes, could you tell me about the team's collaboration?
Sure. We have 8 members front-end, back-end, and QA. We work closely at every stage to ensure quality.
Sounds great. Thanks for the info.
You're welcome, Alex. We'll be in touch soon. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too.
Hi, I'm Lisa. Nice to meet you.
Hi Lisa, I'm John. Nice to meet you too.
How's everything going?
Not bad, just wrapped up a long day at work. What about you?
Same here, but I finally had time to visit this new bookstore. Are you a big reader?
Definitely. I love finding new books. What genre do you like?
I'm into mysteries and thrillers. What about you?
I like sci-fi and a bit of fantasy. Ever read anything in those genres?
I've read a few, but I'm always open to recommendations. Got any favorites?
Yeah, there's this one series I think you'd really enjoy. Maybe we can chat about it over coffee sometime?
That sounds fun. I'd love to.
Great. How about this Saturday afternoon?
Works for me. Looking forward to it.
Me too. See you then, Lisa.
See you, John.
Hi Susan, how about the movie today?
Great idea. I haven't been in ages. I'd love to go.
Do you have a certain preference?
Not really, you.
I like the stealth theater. It's clean, shows start on time, and the sound system is amazing.
Sounds good. What movie?
How about a romantic comedy? There's one called Midnight in Paris.
I've heard of it. It's about a guy who travels back in time. while visiting France and meets famous people from the past.
That sounds fun. Who directed it?
Woody Allen, with Owen Wilson in the lead.
Nice. I like both of them. The show's at 7 p.m.
Perfect. Want to grab coffee before?
Great idea. I'll pick you up at 6.
Looking forward to it. See you soon.
Me too.
Hi, Miss Johnson. How can I help you today?
Hello, Dr. Lee. I've been feeling really anxious lately.
I'm sorry to hear that. Can you tell me more about what's been bothering you?
Well, I've been under a lot of stress at work, and it's affecting my sleep.
That sounds tough. How long has this been going on?
For about 3 weeks now, I can't seem to relax at all.
Have you tried any relaxation techniques, like meditation or deep breathing?
I've read about them, but I haven't actually tried. I'm not sure where to start.
No worries. We can practice a simple deep breathing exercise together.
Really? That would be helpful.
Great. Let's take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out.
Okay, in and out.
Perfect. Try to do this a few times a day. It can really help with anxiety.
I'll definitely give it a shot.
Also, I recommend keeping a journal to express your feelings.
That sounds like a good idea. I've never thought of that.
It can be very therapeutic. Remember, it's important to take care of your mental health.
Thank you, Dr. Lee. I really appreciate your advice.
Anytime. I'll check in with you next week.
Hey, Mark, what's bothering you? You look stressed.
Hi, Lisa. I've got this big presentation coming up, and I'm freaking out.
Take a deep breath. Have you prepared your slides?
Yes, but I keep worrying about forgetting my points.
Why don't you practice in front of me?
Really? You'd help me with that?
Of course, it'll be fun. Just treat it like a conversation.
Okay, let's do it. I'll start with my introduction.
Sounds good.
Hello everyone, I'm Mark, and today I'll talk about renewable energy.
Great start. Just remember to make eye contact and smile.
Eye contact is tough for me.
You can practice with me. I won't bite.
That helps. What if I stumble?
It's okay. Just pause, take a breath, and continue.
You're right. I feel a bit better already.
You'll do great. I promise. Thanks, Lisa. I really appreciate your support. Anytime. Mark, you've got this.
Hey, Emily, long time no see. What's new with you?
Hi, Jake. It's been a while, hasn't it? I've been busy with work and life. What about you?
Same here, just trying to balance everything, but it's good to see you at the cafe. I thought you were always too busy.
I am, but I realized I needed a little break, so I come here sometimes to unwind. How about you?
Oh, I'm just taking a break from my usual routine. I've been working on my cooking skills lately.
Cooking? That's interesting. What's your specialty?
Haha, well, I've mastered a few pasta recipes, but I'm still struggling with desserts.
I love baking. Maybe I can give you a few tips.
That would be amazing. Maybe we could do a baking session together sometime.
Sounds like a plan. I'd love that. It's a fun way to de-stress, trust me.
Yeah, I could definitely use that. By the way, how's your painting hobby going?
I'm still at it. It's my therapy after a long day. You should come by and see my latest work.
I'd love to. Well, I have to get going now, but let's catch up soon.
Definitely. Take care, Jake.
You too, Emily. See you. Excuse me, do you know where the nearest coffee shop is?
Sure, I know a great place just around the corner.
Oh, that's perfect. I've been walking around for a while.
Not from around here, I take it?
No, just visiting. Thought I'd explore a bit, but now I really need some caffeine.
I get that. Okay, you'll head down the street for 2 blocks. You'll see a bookstore, turn right there.
And the coffee shop is right there.
Almost. Walk another block and you'll see a small park. The coffee shop is just across from it, with a big green sign.
Got it, thanks so much. Any recommendations?
Their iced caramel latte is amazing, especially on a day like this.
Sounds delicious. I'll definitely try it.
No problem, enjoy. And if you get lost again, you know who to ask.
Thanks again. Have a great day.
You too.
Hello, Is this the lost luggage desk?
Yes, it is. How can I assist you today?
My suitcase hasn't shown up, and I'm not sure what to do now.
Sorry to hear that. Could you tell me which flight you arrived on?
I just got in from Paris.
Okay, have you checked the baggage carousel thoroughly?
Yes, I waited there for 45 minutes, and everyone else has left.
I see. I'll need some details to file a report.
Sure, what do you need?
Could I have your name, please?
My name's Emily Carter.
Thank you, Ms. Carter. May I see your boarding pass and luggage receipt?
Here you go.
Great. Could you describe your suitcase?
It's medium-sized, navy blue with a red strap around it.
Is there anything else distinctive about it?
Yes, it has a silver tag with my name on it.
Got it. Please fill out this form while I make some calls.
Thanks, I appreciate it. I really hope it turns up soon.
We'll do our best, Ms. Carter. If we don't find it immediately, we'll deliver it to your address.
Thank you so much for your help. Good morning, can I see Miss Williams, please?
Good morning. Do you have an appointment?
Yes, my appointment is at 11. My name is Mark Taylor.
Let me check. Yes, Mr. Taylor. May I take your briefcase?
Sure, here you go, thanks. Is Miss Williams available now?
Please have a seat, and I'll check if she's ready for you.
Okay, thank you.
Ms. Williams is wrapping up a quick meeting. It might take about 5 minutes. Would you like to see her assistant in the meantime?
No, I prefer to wait for Miss Williams herself.
Can I get you a coffee or some water while you wait?
Coffee would be great, thanks.
Here you go. Feel free to grab a newspaper while you wait.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
If you need anything, just let me know, and I'll inform you when Ms. Williams is ready.
Hi, I'd like to book a room for next weekend. Could you help me with that?
Absolutely. What dates will you be staying with us?
I'll be checking in on Friday, April 12th, and checking out on Sunday, April 14th.
Great. How many guests will be staying in the room?
Just 2 adults. Do you have any rooms available with a king-sized bed?
Yes, we have a deluxe room available with a king-sized bed for those dates.
Perfect. Can you tell me what's included in the room rate?
Certainly. The rate includes complimentary breakfast, free Wi-Fi, gym access, and parking.
Great. How much is it per night?
The deluxe room is $150 per night, plus taxes.
Are there any additional fees or deposits required?
We'll need a credit card on file for incidentals, but there are no other additional fees or deposits.
What's your cancellation policy?
You can cancel free of charge up to 24 hours before arrival. After that, there's a one-night fee.
Okay, can I reserve the room right now?
Of course. Can I have your name, contact information, and credit card details to secure the reservation?
Sure, here you go.